If you're tired of feeling busy but not really getting anything done, this video is for you. We're going to talk about 3 silent habits that are quietly killing your focus and how to fix them. We'll not be talking about blocking apps on your phone or using the Pomodoro technique. Instead, we'll look at psychology packed, practical ways to build you real, lasting confidence, especially in a world that is constantly pulling your attention in 100 different directions. You don't need to change everything at once. Even fixing one of these habits can make a huge difference. So, if the first one doesn't feel like your thing, hang on. Habit 2 or 3 might be exactly what you need. Hello, I'm Pratima. Welcome to my channel, and let's start with the first habit. Habit 1: keeping your phone beside you while working. Even when your phone is silent, if it's beside you, you still check it, don't you? Someone else's phone pings in the room, that tiny ding, and suddenly your focus shifts. You get a text, you reply even when you're in the middle of a task. You get a notification, you check it just for a minute, and before you know it, you're out of the flow. Your brain is no longer in your control. But here's the cost: it takes 23 minutes to refocus completely after even a small distraction. How do we fix this? Start by removing all distractions literally. Lock your phone in a cupboard for the first 1 to 2 hours of the day. I want you to walk to the cupboard, put the phone inside, lock it, and tell your brain, we are distraction free for the next 2 hours. You can start with 30 minutes and slowly train your brain to reach the 2, 3, or 4 hours mark. Number 2, turn off all non essential notifications on your phone. And number 3, don't put your phone within your hand's reach when you're trying to focus. You don't have to be available to the world all the time, but you need to be available to yourself at least for few focused hours each day. If you found value in this video till now, please like and subscribe to this channel. Habit number 2, consuming constant entertainment. What do you do when you're eating? Is the TV playing in the background? What about when you're walking or driving? Is there always a podcast or song filling the silence? We have trained our brains to expect constant stimulation. It doesn't feel harmful. In fact, it feels productive. At least I'm doing something when I'm doing my chores, right? But here's the catch. When your brain is always entertained, it forgets how to sit with silence. So when it's time to do deep work, like writing a report, studying, or even just sitting quietly, your brain gets restless. It craves something new, something fast, and something easy. According to research, this constant dopamine input can reduce your brain's capacity for sustained attention. In simple terms, you get bored faster and focus less. So, how do we fix this? Try doing one thing at a time. Single task like your life depends on it. Start with something small. Take a walk without your headphones. Cook something without watching anything or filling the silence. Do your chores in silence just once a day. It'll feel strange at first, even uncomfortable, but that's your brain recalibrating. You're giving it space to breathe again, and this space helps you rebuild the focus. Habit number 3, carrying too much mental clutter. You may not be on your phone, you may not be watching anything, but your mind, it's still full. You're thinking about that one email you forgot to send, or what somebody said to you yesterday, or your growing to-do list, or the next 5 things you have to complete before the weekend. It's like having 15 tabs open in your brain all the time. Even when you sit down to focus, your mind keeps bouncing between these thoughts. That makes it nearly impossible to go deep into one thing. So how do we fix this? Give your thoughts somewhere to go. Do a quick brain dump every morning. Write down everything that's on your brain. You don't need to judge or organize, just release everything onto the paper. Keep a small notebook or notes app on your phone handy. Whenever you're working, if you get a thought that is disturbing you, put it down on the piece of paper. Tell your brain that the thought has been parked for later and move on with your work. It's not about emptying your mind, it's just lightening the load. That can make a huge difference. To take this a step further, you can check my next video here. It is about 6 habits that will help you reclaim your evenings after work.